Hello everyone, all those who are targeting UGC-NET set examination in 2024. For you, it's very important to prepare each and every concept along with their latest PYQs, right? So in this video session, I'm going to talk about a topic that is ADDIE model of teaching. It relates to the unit 1, that is teaching aptitude. Now, before starting with the topic, I would like to introduce myself. All those who have still not subscribed to my channel and they're watching this video, I would like to introduce myself that I am the author of this book, that is Paper 1 book, topic-wise previous year solved papers book, which is published by Oxford University Press India. In this book, all the 10 units of Paper 1, they have been segregated topic wise. The previous year questions have been set topic wise and their explanations have been given in the book. These explanations become your study material, your content for the next session, for the next exam, right? And all those who know me, they are connected with me, they can enroll for online courses for paper 1 and paper 2 commerce and paper 2 management on my app, which is named as UGC-NET JRF coaching. This app you can download from Play Store, and the price of my course currently it is rupees 750, right? But now the topic that you have to prepare from this video lecture is ADDIE model, right? So it's a very important topic. Why I'm saying, because in every session this topic, question from this topic will be there in 1 or 2 shifts, right? So you must prepare, and you must prepare it here only in this video and write down the notes in your notebook. ADDIE model, it is a learning development model which is used by course developers and training designers. So this model can be used by the teachers who are teaching you in the classroom. It can be used by online teachers or classroom teachers. Anybody who wants to develop a course or some trainer, they can use this model. It is an iterative approach. Iterative means step by step approach है जिसमें steps follow किए जाएंगे to develop the course by the teachers, making it suitable for complex curriculum or course programs. So you need to prepare this from UGC-NET set examination point of view. You must prepare this content and note it down in your notebooks too. ADDIE, it stands for what? A stands for analysis. Remember this. D stands for design. The next D, it stands for development. So you're not supposed to confuse yourself. Remember this: analysis, design. पहले design करेंगे, then development, then implementation, and E stands for evaluation. So this is what you are going to remember. A sequence type of question can be there, or it can be asked, what is the full form of ADDIE model? Very easy. So note down this. The ADDIE model of training, it provides a systematic, iterative, I again repeat, step by step process for determining what are the training needs of the learners, designing instructional programs and materials, implementing these programs, and evaluating their effectiveness, right? So these 5 phases, or I can say 5 steps, they have been summarized in this table. So you should know a little bit about these 5 phases in case a match the following question is being asked on this topic. अगर आपको match the following question पूछा जाता है इस topic के ऊपर, you must prepare this content. You should have an idea that what is analysis. You should be able to match it with this content. What is analysis phase? Identify the learning problem. So try to understand, as a teacher, I need to identify that what is the learning problem of my students or learners. I need to identify what are the goals, objectives, audience needs. Audience means जो learners हैं, जो students हैं, उनकी requirement क्या, उनकी needs क्या हैं, what is their existing knowledge and skills. मेरे students का, मेरे learners का जो already skill set है वो क्या है, ये सारा analysis मुझे करना है. I should know as a teacher, as a trainer, as a course developer. I should know all this. The next step will be design. उसके बाद मैं design करूँगी. You need to understand this. Develop learning objectives, right? In starting of any chapter or any unit which I want to start, I should know what should be the learning objectives. तो वो मुझे develop करनी है, means मुझे बनाने हैं. Choose an instructional approach. Select media and materials. Determine assessment methods. Designing में, this is all related to designing. चूज एन इंस्ट्रक्शनल अप्रोच कि मैंने इंस्ट्रक्शन जो है वो कैसे देनी है स्टूडेंट्स तक, लर्नर्स तक, मैंने अपना जो कंटेंट है, जो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी है वो कैसे इम्पार्ट करना है. सिलेक्ट मीडिया एंड मटेरियल्स. मीडिया मीन्स थ्रू ऑनलाइन कोचिंग, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के थ्रू, राइट, और इट कैन बी थ्रू ऑफलाइन कोचिंग. मैंने कैसे, कौन सा मीडिया जो है सिलेक्ट करना है, ऑडियो, विजुअल, व्हाट. डिटर्मिन असेसमेंट मेथड्स, हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू assess my students, my learners. There are various evaluation techniques, there are various types of tests through which I can do their assessment, that where they stand, how much they have learned the material, how much they have got the concept clarity which I am teaching them in the class, right? So next is development. Create instructional or training materials. If I need to give some training material to my students, to my learners, to the trainees, that I need to develop in this stage. Then implementation, deliver the instructional or training materials to the intended audience, right? Implementation means अब apply करने का वक्त जो है वो आ गया है. How I'm going to deliver the instructions, the training materials to the intended audience, वो मुझे डिसाइड करना है इस स्टेज में, इस फेज में. इवैल्यूएशन, assess the effectiveness of the instruction or training program. Assessing means herein I will applying the various evaluation methods, techniques, types of test. Here I was discussing about design कि overall मेरा जो है वो design क्या रहेगा, वो मेरे mind में पहले ही होना चाहिए as a teacher, as an instructor. Here in this step, finally I am evaluating that thing. So for the match the following question, I again repeat, you should have an idea that what is analysis, what is design, what is development, what is implementation, and what is evaluation, so that you are able to match it with these sentences or the statements given in the question on that day. Now you can see over here I have taken a UGC-NET previous year question. In this question, in ADDIE model of instructional design framework, the letters I and E in the acronym ADDIE pertain to means relates to, right? कि ये जो abbreviation है ADDIE, इसमें IE stands to what, relates to what. You should understand the question. So इन टाइप के टॉपिक्स के ऊपर आपका कंटेंट जो है फुली प्रिपेयर्ड होना चाहिए. यू शुड नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम इन अटेम्प्टिंग दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. सो द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज 2, दैट इज implementation and evaluation. It is not identification, it was not examination, because you have already prepared the concept, the content over here, that is ADDIE stands for analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. So remember this. These are the only type of questions that I've discussed in this video related to this topic. So all those who want to prepare with me, you can download my app from Play Store, which is named as UGC-NET JRF Coaching Crack It with Simran. And you can join my online courses for Paper 1 and Paper 2 Commerce and Paper 2 Management at just rupees 750 today to crack your June 2024 examination. If you have any queries, you can always WhatsApp me at this number, that is 97500000491. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe the channel.